Buhay! For today, welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing Arena Bimas here in Don. I would just like to present to you the full massage. As much as last time, we just showed the Leia here, only the foot massage and hands massage. So today, we'll first start at the bottom. Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing Arena Bimas here in Don. So yeah. Please explain to the viewers what is the proper way to massage.
Proper way of massage, you have to
Move a little. You can actually see. Okay.
start with the lower bodies. It means foot going up, going to foot going to the body,
To the head.
to the head.
Okay.
That's the proper massage, and then you start first for the warm up. So you have to warm up, stretching to familiarize the body of the client. Then you have to do some exercise too
Like
before
this.
for you to start.
So what are you doing now with my foot?
Yeah, I just do some stretching.
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So before going to the
Just
final
count out 3
How
like
many
that.
times? 3?
1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
3, and then you can
Up to 3.
stretch again. You just pull
There. Going to you.
going to me.
How
Then
about-
switch.
Yeah. Wow. Switch. How do you call this?
And
What
then
process?
vibrate.
Vibrate. No, the first one you are doing like that, my feet.
Yeah.
What's that?
Twisting.
Okay, twisting the
Not
feet.
so much
Ah.
to do some
Next, after switching.
twist.
Twist,
Yes,
sorry.
So you can know the alignment and
Next is.
the alignment ba?
Okay.
Then you have to start the massage from the.
Wow.
Then you have to shake. So
Shake.
some losing the muscle.
Yeah, I love that part. That is my favorite part.
And then you have to do some acupressure
To that
Yeah.
to the toes.
point.
Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the foot massage we are showing to you viewers. No? Leia, my friend here, my therapist, really is a licensed therapist and caregiver. Okay, and just here in Wellspring, ano yun yan? Second phase?
Phase 2.
Phase 2. Okay, just in front of the basketball court. You can drop there in the Pag-ibig crossing and have your, how many minutes na walk? Just,
You can perform 5 minutes in one foot, one legs, including the foot, and another 5 minutes including the foot.
Okay.
That's it.
So
You have 10 minutes, and if you do some upper extremities, the arms, you can perform 5 minutes from left and 5 minutes to the right arm.
so approximately the full body massage 1 hour and
More.
Okay, so
It
that's it.
depends, and then you have to request your client to have a back massage, and then you have to gather again the foot. You have to massage the back of the foot, the legs,
And so
and,
on.
you start again, then going to the
Upper
the
part. Upper
upper
extremities.
part.
How about if you will start with my head? The upper part.
The last,
Di pwede.
it's better go last massage
The upper.
the head.
So we are done with my foot. What's next? Where is the next body part? You are not allowed as therapist to touch the internal organs, right?
Yeah, the private part.
Private parts and the internal.
Yeah,
The
sometimes
intestine.
if the client requests for the stomach massage,
No.
you can make it massage the stomach.
Okay, so it's not dangerous. Okay. It's okay.
No, just perform in a nice way, in a
Nice.
good way.
Okay, so that's it. Especially if bloated stomach.
Yeah.
So that the client can party.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving now from my foot. So where's the next part?
Another legs.
Another legs.
Same procedure again.
Okay, so we are done with that. After that legs, where
If the client is like this position,
oh,
you have to go in the arms.
Arms. Yeah.
Arms.
But the one we have done a while ago, I'm lying down.
Yeah.
My back. So
So you have to